Do you know you can make serious money online without any capital, without any experience, using a free website and a free traffic source? Yes, this is very possible, and I'm going to show you everything you need to know in this video. Hello guys, welcome to another video. My name is Bede. Before we get into the topic, consider subscribing if you're yet to. Turn on the bell icon so you could be the first to know when I drop new videos for your online business success. Don't forget to smash the like button and share this video so more people can find it and be empowered by it. Most importantly, pay close attention in order not to miss any vital information. So with that said, let's go right in. Alright guys, welcome back. As mentioned earlier, I'm going to show you how to make money online with zero capital. I know a lot of you will be like, no, you can't make money online with no capital at all. But I tell you one thing, it is very possible. I've tried it. I mean, I started as a freelancer, and I started drop servicing even before starting Untitled Agency Limited. For those that don't know, now this is free information, alright? So it's something that I've tried, and a lot of people I have coached as well have tried it, and it worked excellently. So I'm going to just show you the steps you need to take in order to make money online with no skill, with no experience, with free websites, and of course with free traffic source. So stay glued. Don't skip this video so you don't miss anything. All right, if you're yet to subscribe, what are you waiting for? Please do so, because if you like this sort of video and want to be getting more of this type of video, all right, on how to make money online, please subscribe to this channel so that when I upload new videos, you're gonna get it. And please don't forget to smash the like button right now. Like this video so that more people will get to see it and be empowered with information. All right, thank you so much. Also share the video. Thank you. All right, let's move right in. How you can make money online with zero capital. Now this is talking about Fivver drop servicing. So I did a video on how to start a drop servicing video. I'm going to link it up right here. So if you're yet to watch it, go watch it. It explains in detail how to start a drop servicing. That's generally how to start a drop servicing business and make loads of money. All right, now this is actually talking about Fivver drop servicing. I'm going to show you the steps. Now step one is that you register on Fivver. If you're not on Fivver yet, the link is in the description box. Go there, click it, and get started on Fivver. It's a freelancing platform where you can make money, all right, by doing services. But right now you're not going to be on that platform to perform services. You're just going to go there to do something. Now register on Fivver, browse services and average prices. The reason you're going to register is so that you can buy services. You're going to be going there to buy services, all right? You're not going there to do anything. You're just going there to buy services when you have orders from people. So now browse the services. For example, this is Fivver. If you want to use website design as an example of a service that you want to offer, and you want to drop service website design, so you're just going to go on Fivver, search for website design services, and you're going to see a lot of them like this one, just like this. You're going to see a lot of website design services. You can see this one here, WordPress website design. I will create a unique and modern responsive website design starting from $20. So all you need to do is click this, and then it opens up to the person's, that's this freelancer's the service page itself, and you're going to just compare it. Look at the basic cost. The basic right here is $20 for one page website. Now you're looking at the standard. The standard is 115, is about for 5 pages, responsive website design. Now these are all the things you get. Now premium is about 240. Now the reason why you're going to go through this website and then browse services and average prices is so that when you compare the prices for the service that you want to drop service, all right, you're gonna now get what I call an average price. All right, so okay, I can get a website for $100 for like 10 pages, 5 pages, you know. All right, I see this guy and he has, now let's look at it again. I want to show you something, because whenever you're placing a request or having somebody do for you on Fivver, make sure that the person has a high rating. Now this is actually where to go. This guy has about 4.9 rating, 95 reviews so far, and he's from Bangladesh. He's been a member since March 2020. His last delivery was just 1 day ago. Average response time 1 hour. All right, so you can see what people are saying about him when you scroll down. about 65 reviews right here, 4.9. You can see what people are saying. So you just read through what people are saying about a seller, so that makes you confident to want to use them. So if you have some sellers on Fivver that you are likely going to use, so just take a note of them, maybe like copy their page and save it, copy their page and save it, just so that when you have orders you can go there and place it. So, and then that will now give you an idea of the kind of price you put on for the services that you're offering. So that's the first step you need to take. Be sure of the services you want to offer. Browse Fivver to know, okay, if I get orders, these are the people going to do it for me, because you have seen their portfolio, you've actually looked through their rating, and then reviews from other people that they are quite good and they can deliver on your stuff, because you don't want to give people stuff and then you're having issues delivering the stuff. Because remember, you're not the one doing it, you don't have a skill in websites at all, you're just going to take order, go there and get it done. So step 2 is to create a landing page website with the services to offer. Now this is where I'm going to show you how to create a free website using Canva. So if you don't know about Canva, this is the right time for you to know about Canva. Go to the link you will see, go to the description box below, you will see the link to take you to Canva, and of course to the page where you can get on the website design. So if you're of course on Canva like this, all you need to do is search for website design, website, right? This. So what it would do, it will open up a page where you have different types of templates. So what you're going to do is you pick out of these different templates and then you try to edit them. So let's look at this for example. All right, let's look at this for example. Okay, so it's a premium template, so it's asking you to upgrade. All right, this is let's look at another one. Let's look at the free one, so you can check the ones that are free. All right, so you can see a lot of templates right here, and you'll be able to pick out one, then edit it. All right, it's good. You don't need to do more. You need to just go through all of the templates that you have right here and see the one that is likely okay for you to just do some little editing, and then voila, you have something to show people. All right, so I'm just going to pick one out of this. I'm just going to pick one, then we can get on with it. All right, so let me check this one. So let's see what it looks like. All right, let's look at this one. All right, so you can see this one. They say, hello, I'm so professional digital marketer, social media manager, view my portfolio. All right, you can have something like this. So this is introducing the person. All right, so now this is the contact page, you get it? All right, so let's look at something else. This is like a business website. Let's look at this. All right, let's look at this business website. View all 6 pages. Okay, just gonna reload the page and see. Now why this is good is, this is actually good. You can edit this to something like website design services, or beautiful website designs, then the company name. If you have a company, you put it. If you don't have a company, you can put your name, just write about yourself right here, put your picture of a website design. You can change this to, this actually works, but you can change it to like someone working on a laptop. Then our services, you can put website design, digital marketing, or all kinds of maybe website management. You know, you can put out, then you can put, if you have some clients already, you can put it there, or portfolio, link to portfolios of website that you've done if you have. Now you can come here and write whatever, or delete it if you don't want it. You know, you can actually link things, so it's quite easy. All you need to do is, like, if you want to put a link here, if you want to put a link here, you just click on it and then you come here. All right, you can see the link right here. So it means you can link that stuff, enter a link, and then you can link up this very picture. So that's basically how to edit it. It's quite simple for anyone who doesn't quite know how to do it. It's quite simple. And once you do that and you put you can change images easily, text easily. You know, you can change all of this to your email address, your phone number, everything is just going to be right here. So once you're done with the editing, you can see it. How many pages? About 1, 2, 3, for about 6 pages. All right, 6 pages, a 1-page website. Then you click publish as website. All right, you can see it right here, publish as website. So once you're done, you're just going to publish this as website, and it could be a presentation or classic navigation or standard 1-page. That is single page site with with navigation bar. For example, let's click this and you can see what it looks like. All right, so you can open the website right here. You can see that this is the website and this is the menu. So if you click on any, it goes to it. So this is it. This is what it would look like once you're done having the website. So you can see how that the links looks like this. Now in order to change this link, it looks like this, but to change it to something that looks like, because it comes with canva.com/other stuff, you don't want to give people this link. All right, so all you need to do is copy it and go to a website like Bede. I'm sure you know Bede. Bede website. You can use the services of a Bede website or any URL shop now that you can use. So it's free really. So get started with, register with them, and you take this link, copy this link, go there, generate a short link that you can be sharing with people, especially when you're running campaigns. All right, so this is actually how to get a free website. You don't need to build a website. You don't need money to build a website. You can use Canva to build a website. And if you want premium templates that you can use in Canva, then you need to upgrade your account. So get started with Canva. Go to the link in the description and you will get started. The link is in the description. All right, so that is the number 2. All right, step number 2 that you need to do. You need to create a landing page website with the with the services that you're offering. All right, you can use WordPress too. For WordPress, you need a domain, and of course you will need a hosting. You need to buy a domain and then a hosting, but that will cost you some money. But for this, because of this video, we're talking about, for the purpose of this video, we're talking about free websites. So if you want to get a free website, then you need to use Canva. I've shown you how to do that. I'm going to make a detailed video on how to create a website on Canva, showing you how I edit the pages, how I edit everything. But I just gave you a summary, and with the summary is even enough for you to catch exactly what to do on it. All right, so that is step number 2. Step number 3 is to market your services. All right, remember, we're still talking about how you can make money online with no capital. So far you've not spent anything, right? So step number 3, you'll be thinking of, oh, am I going to spend money on Facebook adverts, Instagram adverts? No, unless you want to. But you can use Facebook groups. I don't know why I recommend this all of the time, and it's one of the untapped ways that you can run a campaign, untapped ways for you to advertise things to get to a large number of people. All right, because most Facebook groups have like 300,000 people on it, 100,000 people on it, 400,000 people on them. Yes, I've seen Facebook groups with 300,000 plus people on them. So you're putting your stuff there, and a whole lot number of people are gonna see it. And yes, they will click on the link going to your website, and yes, they can actually contact you for such services. So that is a free traffic source. Another traffic source that you can use is Quora. I'm sure you know about Quora. It's a question and answer platform. If you don't know about it, let's check Quora right now. All right, Quora, it's a question and answer website that you can use. I mean, you can log in, all right, and then you can get on it. That's what Quora is all about. It's a question and answer platform. So when you go on Quora, you'll be able to see discussions or questions that relates to the services that you're offering. And yes, you actually answer those questions, and when you're answering those questions, you can put your link in there somewhere for people to click on and then be redirected to the website. So these are ways, and of course you can use WhatsApp and other mediums too, or any other methods you can creatively think about on how to promote your website, because that will be the landing page for your services. When people go there, click on it, they will see what you offer, and when they place order or call you for it, all you need to do is just take their order. Once they make payment, or maybe 70%, because I usually take 70% upfront and then the 30% on completion. So if they pay, for example, 70% or 50%, and you know it's enough to go on Fivver to have somebody do that service, to deliver that website, you go there, pay the person, because you already have those who you would want to work with on Fivver. Once they deliver it within the period of time and they deliver excellently well, all you need to do is just send the link to the client, to your client, who sees it and is happy. And everyone is happy because you are happy, all right, because you're making money, all right. Then the client is happy because they got what they want. They didn't know that you're not the one who designed it, but of course what they wanted is for you to design a good website, and you gave them that. And the person who did it is happy because you paid for their service, all right. So that's how it works with Fivver drop servicing, all right. You can actually see that you have no need for a capital in this very method that I've shown you. No capital, nothing at all, no skill, free websites you can use to get started, and then free traffic source. So that's it, all right guys. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please do so right now. Go and click the subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the notification icon so that you will be notified when I upload new helpful videos for your online business success. Don't forget to smash the like button and share this video so more people can find it and be empowered by just the way you're being empowered. Okay, thank you for watching. So let's go through it again. How to make money online with zero capital. First thing you need to do is register on Fivver, browse services and average prices. Second thing is to create a page website with the services to offer. Then the third step is to market your services. All right, so that's how it works. It's quite simple, with no capital, no skill, free website and free traffic source. And that's how you make money online with no capital. Thank you for watching this video. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.